Want to make a decent profit from your stock market activities? Then you have to understand the market on a slightly deeper level. I always find useful to use those case studies because they help to bring those concepts back to life and also understand more complex theories in details. And today, I'm going to show you this on the example of Variax stock. So please keep watching. Valeant Pharmaceutical International is a multinational pharmaceutical company based in Laval, Canada. Its main products include drugs in the field of dermatology, neurology, and infectious disease. In 2017, their net income was above $2 billion and their total equity was about $5 billion. So let's see what their main stock activity indicators are. The first indicator is intrinsic value model called median price per sales. This measures the company intrinsic equity value. The second indicator is the performance of macroeconomic indicator called NFIB Business Optimism Index in relation to its future estimates. This indicator consists of 10 seasonality adjusted components calculated based on the answers of around 620 NFIB members. When we use these two indicators in Stockmetrics app, it gave us an impressive 22.10% of annual return across the trading simulation over 10 years, starting from 2008 and ending in 2018, which beats the market with a hands down. That is also a good result when we consider that a buy or a hold strategy, which would have given just 11.8% of annual return, all compounded. Simply saying, if you would invest $100,000 in this company, your final investment would be something above $1 million with a net gain something above $900,000. Impressive, isn't it? According to the median PS model, Valeant's stock price should be around $108 compared to the real price of $24. When we compare these prices, we see that the real price is much lower than what median PS indicator tells us. In this case, this stock has a good potential to increase. Also, the most recent released Redbook on Variax stock index reported 107 index points, which is the highest it has ever reached. In this case, it makes Variax stock as a good investment opportunity in terms of NFIB Business Optimism Index as well. That's all for this time. Please hit the subscribe button in order not to miss any stocks overview. Also, comment down below if you like this format of video. I would see you next time, so bye!